So before we are going to talk about the virtualization, we are going to discuss about the deployment model of the cloud, how the cloud is deployment. This is deployment on the different way. One is publicly, hosted, private and the community, then the hybrid. So what is the publicly? Publicly means just created a cloud, and this cloud is available for the publicly. Like Google Cloud, you have heard about the Google Cloud. So Google Cloud is available for the publicly. Everybody go and buy the services from there. They are offering public for the public. They are offering their service for the publicly. So consumer come on the website and they can buy the resources. Okay, like Google Cloud, Amazon Cloud, and Alibaba Cloud, and Azure. If you have heard about this, these are the cloud service companies which are providing the clouds. So these type of the cloud having the shared resources, that is the reason. Based on the shared resources means there is a one computer or the one server, there is a 100 website are hosted. Website are hosted on the same server. So it is called shared resources, means the single server is shared with the 100 clients. That is the reason of the risk, security risk, performance and security. There is a two main risk which are available for the shared resource. Okay. Another is a hosted private. Means I am not able to hosted the cloud, complete cloud. I cannot create a data center because I don't have enough money. That is, but I can go on the cloud and buy a complete server. Complete hardware, I have purchased or rent the complete hardware, but everything will be take care by the public cloud, but it will be private only for me. So it is known as a hosted private. And another is a private. Private when you are going to create a cloud for your organization. And this type of the cloud is owned by the single organization. And generally it is called on-premises, means private cloud or off-site. This is not available for the public users. This is only available for the private users. Another type of the cloud, it is known as a community cloud. Community means when the multiple organization, two or more organization share the cost to set up a cloud. Means the single organization cannot stable the cloud or cannot stable the data center. So in this case, the two or more organization spend their money or share their investment and then create a data center, and same organization will put their resources there. It is known as it may be the hosted private or it may be the fully private cloud. It's depend. Another is a hybrid. Hybrid means when the combination of the two or the multiple clouds, known as a hosted. So which type of the services are provided by the cloud? It is known as a cloud service model. So different type of the services are provided. One is a infrastructure, software, platform and the desktop. Infrastructure means when the infrastructure is provided. Infrastructure means the complete infra, like the server, complete server provided to you. It is called infrastructure. They will provide you the 1 GB RAM and 1 CPU and one another thing. Infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service means providing the infrastructure, the complete hardware like IT resources such as the servers, load balancer, storage area network. For the example is Amazon, Azure, OpenStack. They are providing the infrastructure to you. On the infrastructure, it is depend on what software you will install, what application you will install, what the configuration it will do, it is depend on you. Means you will have to do everything. They will provide only the infrastructure, right? Some are providing a software as a service. They are providing the software only. For the example is Office 365. Means only providing the software. And everything you will have to spend some money to buy the storage and something. Another is a similar, you can consider the Google Doc, or you can consider the Google Photos, you can consider these are the softwares and the storage also. Some are just providing a platform. Platform means database and the application. For the example, you want to stable a website. You want to host your website. So you need a platform. For the example, you have developed a website in a .NET. You have developed a website in a .NET, so you will have to buy the platform based on the Windows. But you have developed a website in a PHP, so you will have to buy a Linux platform. So yeah, they are providing the database, they are providing you a platform only. Another is a desktop as a services. Desktop means when you require a client desktop or the software. For the example, virtual machine. Like I am accessing the lab, CompTIA lab, and you have seen the lab are provided hardware like virtual machines, client desktops, where I can do the configuration.